Hey, welcome back to the Caribou Data Science channel. This is a special stream today. We're taking a one-day break from our R as my mistress live stream to bring you, well, I'm going to call it a killer app. You know, ChatGPT is fantastic, but now Bing has gone to the next level with what's called more creative mode. Of course, what is it? ChatGPT has a new mode coming out called Code Commander or Code something like that. It's basically takes your code and even your data, and it actually produces a report. It can actually produce a PDF report, for instance, including data visualizations and text also. Well, the trouble with that is, as far as I can tell, you have to be a subscriber, or you will have to be a subscriber to ChatGPT Plus in order to have access to this feature. Well, I'm here to tell you that the new Bing creative mode. Now, I have to admit, I was put on to more creative mode by a person, another streamer on YouTube, who said that the more creative mode is like ChatGPT Plus. Okay, or like ChatGPT 4. Let's see if we can actually create a report using Bing's more creative mode. Okay, more creative. So let's start by entering the URL path and see what it tells us. Let's see if we'll go out, take the link, and do something with it. Notice it also has little emojis with these boxes, huh? Okay, so this is good. This is good. Okay. Did you catch what it said? It said this was results from both the two data sets I gave it the link to, and to web results. So we're not only restricted with the data that we give it. It also goes out and looks for other things. Okay. epi.org, move.org, of course, is a pack. Is a pack. Stop here. Okay, here we go. Semi-derived data sets, web research results. The data set contain information on the annual cost of children care for infants and 4-year-olds in each state and the District of Columbia for 2021. They also include the percentage of income spent on child care for each state. So here's the results. The national average cost of child care for infants is $11,788 in 2020 and $12,000 change in 2021. For 4-year-olds, now this is sort of interesting. Well, it's interesting. Does this hold true that as a child's age go up? Well, of course, sure. At some point, child care isn't really involved because the child's in school during the day, isn't it? Okay, good. No suspensive state for child care is District of Columbia. The least suspensive state is Mississippi. The national average percentage of income spent on child care infants was 17.6%, 17.8%. Okay, very good. According to these results, some factors include this. Let's see, child care costs have a significant impact on families' economic well-being and employment opportunities and work-life balance. Okay, reducing the work hours or leaving their jobs, choosing lower quality or unregulated care, and so forth. Okay, very good. Okay. So if we understand this right, okay, we understand this right, it's actually reading the data. You can also use R and SQL to calculate the descriptive statistics such as mean. Okay. Now, the mean, median, and the standard deviation of the average cost. I mean, okay, very good. Now, will it actually see what it's doing? Let's look at this. My goodness gracious. It's printing the results of the command. Now we could, of course, set round the two positions or something like that. Okay, so that's what we're looking for. Now the obvious question is plus it has some nice drop downs. So will it actually show us the plots? That's the question. Let's try this. The other night, I got it to produce report. I got it to produce reports. Yeah, but I want you to display the plot. Now this does look pretty good. This does look pretty good. We're going to try it again. We're going to tell it to create a data analytic report, including descriptive statistics. Visualization. Okay. Well, I got it to do that the other night, and the key was, it gave us the answer. The key was, it says, do you want me to create a data analytic report? And the answer is yes, we do. My friends, we'll look at these three things. If this does what it did yesterday, I mean, it actually creates the plots, my friends, this is very close to being a killer app. Okay, a killer app is the word killer app came about back during the early days of personal computing. The killer app was an app that basically made that operating system, that computer, indispensable. Completely changed the world. And so, an example of killer apps. I didn't create any plots. Yeah, so it doesn't look like it's actually going to create a report for us. Okay. Yeah, it almost looks like it wants to display a plot, but it can't. Okay, so this isn't exactly working as it did last night. Okay, right there it looked like it wanted to display a plot. Okay. But look at it. It is giving a code for a plot, and then it's automatically describing the plot itself. Uh-oh. Okay. Well, how are we at this now? 16 minutes. Okay, let's just keep looking at something a little more here. Okay, let's come back over to here. And let's just take one of these codes, take one of these things right here. Now, if you were to ask, well, the biggest difference right now is, one, it's free, and two, it does go out and look on the internet. In this case here, it went out and actually looked at the data on the Tiny Tuesday data on the GitHub repo on Tiny Tuesday. So the numbers it produced were absolutely correct. All right. Now the question is, am I confused? No, I'm not confused. I'm not confused. Let's close this. Open this again. Now, the thing that's sort of interesting about Bing is that it created visualization of the data. So maybe the key word is visualization. Which one would you like me to create?
Senti na brisa, a sua voz deixa levar as coisas no ar. Te carrego nas linhas.
Right, being image creator. You notice it is interactive.
Quando sinto o peso da vida, olho pro céu da noite, vendo o azul escuro, não sabendo pra onde ir. Me entrego em imensidão, vejo estrelas cadentes, como se fossem suas lágrimas.
Okay, that's interesting. So is it using my data, or is it using data it finds on the internet? But it did create a map.
A sua vai deixa levar as coisas no mar. Te carrego nas linhas da minha mão, ando descalça.
Okay.
Seguindo seu mapa.
So we never did get around to actually create a final report, did we? Okay.
Você disse que está comigo mais perto do que a veia da vida. A veia da vida.
Now I thought this was supposed to have. You know what let's do? Let's take a look at Bard now. You know what Bard allows you to do interest. You could actually export some code to a Google Colab. That doesn't look like a plot to me. That's interesting. We're not actually seeing the plot, are we? Okay. The other night, Bing asked me, said, what do you want to do? And one of the things it asked me was, do you want to do a data? I was thinking, I'm not sure of Analytist. Was that report created by Bing? Was that from the data on Tidy Tuesday? Was the data all from the internet? What was it? Was it from Tidy Tuesday, or was it from the internet? That's what isn't quite clear, is it? Look at it. It says image of bar chart, but there's no image there. Bard activity. Okay, so we do sort of have a history of it. But anyway, you have to take my word for it that that it did actually produce some plots. But again, what we're not sure of is, was that, descriptive statistics and analytics based on the Tidy Tuesday data set, or was it based on results it found on the web itself? One thing about so therefore the OpenAI, what's it called, Code Commander or Code Completer or something like that, does produce a finished report. And I'm sure last night that being asked me, do you want to do data analytics? And I said yes. And it's created some statistics, and then it actually created some plots based on the data. Okay. So anyway, that concludes this session for today. Again, I'm still sticking to the title, Data Analytics Repent. Bing is here because I think Bing is very close to what ChatGPT's code, what's it called, Code Creator, Code Commander is too. Okay. So thanks so much. We'll see you in a few days.